Hello and welcome to Clement Tech Guide. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Store on Windows LTSC editions. As you can see, Microsoft Store is not included by default in LTSC version of Windows. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to install it easily. First, we will need to open PowerShell as administrator. We can do that by pressing Windows + S key and type PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Then we will need to type in ws reset-i into the terminal. You can find the command in the description below. After pressing the Enter key, nothing seems to appear, but if we see the notification panel, we can notice there's a progress showing Microsoft Store is installing, which is what we would like to see. This process may take some time, so go grab some coffee while you are waiting. Welcome back. As you can see, Microsoft Store is finally installed on our Windows LTSC device. Let's check it out. Wow! We now have the best of both worlds, able to access Microsoft Store and using Windows 11 LTSC at the same time. We are able to update and install application from the store as well. And that's how you install Microsoft Store on Windows LTSC devices. If you find this content useful, please consider to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see in the future video. And hope to see you soon.